Texas citrus is abundant right now. We're gonna be cooking with Satsumas, Meyer lemon, and some Texas grapefruit today, making up hand-seared Amberjack with a little bit of carrot and parsnip puree and a citrus salsa. I'm Kevin Naderi. We're in the kitchen of Roost restaurant here in Montrose. The good thing about Texas citrus is you can go to the Urban Harvest fruit tree sale and they're gonna have an abundance of different kind of citrus. You plant that guy in your yard here in Houston, it's gonna grow in about 2 years. You're gonna have an awesome selection of citrus. So what we have here is a little bit of Gulf Amberjack filet. We're gonna lightly salt and pepper this guy to jam up the heat. This guy's already been preheated, so it's gonna be pretty hot. So our fish goes in, really hot pan. We're gonna let it go until it's just about golden brown. Then I'm gonna flip it. We're gonna put that guy in the oven just to cook through. Let's take a little bit of this. This is actually a Meyer lemon. Meyer lemons have a little bit more kind of floral. It's actually dripping everywhere, right? That tells you how great it is. Don't do this with any cuts on your hand. Here I have a little bit of Satsuma oranges, some Texas grapefruit, and then we have that Meyer lemon in there. Julienne shallots here. I got a little bit of thyme. We also have a little bit of tarragon leaves. I'm just gonna tear these up with my hand. With a lot of herbs, I like to add them last. Texas pecans that we've diced up, a little bit of olive oil, small little pinch of salt and pepper, and then just a light little toss. This is a little bit of our carrot puree. It's been thinned out with a little bit of cream, a little bit of my parsnip puree. Got a nice hard sear on this guy. Then we're gonna take a little bit of our salsa that we just made. Don't be shy, I like salsa. I like the citrus. Micro cilantro. And just to finish off, just a little drizzle of olive oil. Really, really easy dish, guys.